Good morning, everyone. Welcome to the IP class. We are on MySQL. In the last lecture, we have learned about the where clause. We'll continue the where clause in this lecture also. Let's start our work. First, display the database. How many databases are there? Okay, then use the database. Now, show tables. How many tables are created within the database? Okay, so we take the employee. So this is the table on we are working on. Okay, let's start the where command again, and I will tell you some more commands within the where command. So select name comma salary from. Okay, write the command in partition, in the form of partition. Like, first you select the columns which you want to display, in the next the table name, in the next the command, the conditions. Select name and salary from EMPL OYEE, where salary is greater than how much? For 35,000, semicolon. So there are only 4 workers whose salary is greater than 35,000. Fine. Okay, let's start. Okay, with the help of where, you can use greater than, less than, equals to, not equals to. Okay, like select star from employee where okay, what is it? Designation equals to clerk. Oh, sorry. We have to write clerk in single quote. So is there any option? There are 2 designations, clerk. So it's the equals to. Fine. Now let's start one more thing. First fetch the table. Okay, now I want to tell you like statement with the help of where. Like means uh, something matched, with that. Like if I want to display the name who starts with R, then who starts with R or ends with A, or whose third character is A, third character is E, fifth character is S, yeah, whose name is of 5 characters or 7 characters. So this will done with the help of like. Okay, how to use it? So again, select command, select what is the question? My question is, display all the details of the employee whose name starts with H, so all the details means star from employee where name like starts with H percent. Percent means name starts with H, and after the H anything will be there. Percentage means anything. There are 2 H, Harsh Bhatia and Hardik Sharma. Okay, let's do it again. Okay, what I said ki display the name and salary of the employee whose name starts with A. What I said, display the name and salary. So select name and salary from employee where name like starts with A, then A percent. Sorry, name and salary, name comma salary. So it's my, okay, one more thing, you have to identify the errors. Sometimes we'll do some error, so we have to identify which type of these errors. So without identification, it's not completed. Like here, one error is there, error is 1054, unknown column clerk, means I haven't placed the single quotes over there, so that means it is comparing a designation column to the clerk column. So there is no clerk column in the table, that means unknown column, because I have to write clerk in the single quote so that it will be a value, because the quotes are missing, that means clerk can be judged as a column. Okay, so here is one more error. I have written here name and salary, because and is not a keyword, we have to type a comma in the place of and, because when we take the different columns, we have to place comma between them. So select name comma salary from employee where name like why I write percentage here, because name starts with A and after the A anything will be there. So there are two A's, Ankush Midha and Ankur Tyagi. So let's fetch the table again. Okay, now one more thing, like display all the details of the employees whose names contain E as a third alphabet. E as a third alphabet. Okay, so how to do it? All the details means star where name like, okay, what I said, third alphabet as E. So we have to place two underscores, one underscore, two underscore, means two characters will be there. Okay, then E, third characters E, and बाद में कुछ भी हो. Percentage means after E कुछ भी हो, or before, if there is two characters we have to place two alphabets, मतलब two underscores, means two alphabets will be there. Underscore means two alphabets will be there. So there are how many employees there? Two employees, Deepak and Chetan, whose third character is E. Understood? One more. Okay, let's take one more example. My question is, display the details of all employees whose third character is whose second character is A. Second character. Second character means select star from employee where name like, what I said, second character, so one will be there, second character is here and percentage is there. There are three persons, Harsh Bhatia, Hardik Sharma and Jai Sharma, whose second character is A. Fine? Okay. Now one more thing. Display the details whose name ends with I. Whose name ends with I. So again select star from employee where name like ends with I. So percentage I means last character will be I or first में कुछ भी हो, means where we put the percentage, that means anything, any characters, but at the end it is I. If we write I percentage means starting with I, आगे कुछ भी हो. So how many will be there? 2. Ankur Tyagi and Chetan Joshi. Ends with I. Fine. Okay. One more thing. Display the names of the employees who has 11 characters name. Fix 11th character. 11 characters. Fix. So what to do? Same. 11 characters means 11 underscores. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11. 11 underscores. Only one is there. Ankur Tyagi. Fine. I think like understand हो गया है. So this is your homework. Whatever I have written in this video, you have to do it in your computer and write it anywhere. All the like statements means starting with some alphabet, ending with some alphabet, second character, third character of the name, okay, and fixed characters. Like name will be 5 characters, 5 characters, because I have written long names here, like full names: Harsh Bhatia, Hardik Sharma, Jay Sharma. So there will no be is, I think no name contains 5 characters, so I choose 11. Okay. If you have written short names, you can write display the names who has fixed 3 characters, fixed 4 characters, fixed 5 characters. Okay, so do this work, you will enjoy. Okay, stay home, stay safe. Goodbye. This is for today.